In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring reminder in Slack. Setting up reminders is a fantastic way to stay organized and ensure nothing slips through the cracks in your busy schedule. Whether you're coordinating with a team or simply managing your personal to-do list, knowing how to leverage Slack's reminder feature can enhance productivity and communication. Let's get started. First, open your Slack app and head over to the Messages section. This is where you can interact with different channels and send commands. It's essential to start from the Messages section as that's your gateway to all team interactions. Once you're there, you'll need to decide which channel or person you want to set the reminder for. Directly within the chosen conversation, channel, or even in your personal messages, you're going to be setting up this reminder, so make sure you're in the correct context where it matters most. Now, let's go to the next part. Typing the remind command. In Slack, you can trigger reminders by typing a simple / command. This command is remind, and it can be typed within any message field in Slack. Once you type remind, you'll need to include the details of your reminder. Here's the format. You'll want to write something like remind #channel name or at person what you want reminded on the day and time. For instance, you can type remind #general submit weekly report every Friday at 3 p.m. This step is crucial, as getting the syntax right will ensure that the reminder sets up correctly. Once you've entered the command, Slackbot, which is Slack's built-in assistant, will confirm the reminder for you. You'll notice a small notification popping up in the conversation confirming that the reminder has been set. It will also let you know when exactly the reminder will trigger. This part is extremely helpful, as it reassures you that your command has been successfully processed without any error. Now, if you want to view or manage your reminders, Slack makes it simple. All you need to do is type /remind list into any conversation. This command provides you with a comprehensive list of all your reminders. From here, you can manage them by deleting reminders you no longer need or modifying those that require adjustments. This flexibility allows you to keep your reminders relevant and up to date. And there you have it. Setting up and managing reminders in Slack is a straightforward process, making it easier to stay on top of your tasks and deadlines. Remember,